Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install the latest dashboard version 14717 on your JTAG. All you're going to need is a USB, and also you're going to need an RGH or JTAG console connected to your connected to the internet through Ethernet. So first thing you want to do is you're going to want to boot into Xell or Xellius or Xell Reloaded. And we're gonna wait here till it boots up. Alright, it booted up just fine. Now we're gonna wait a little bit. And right here at the bottom, you're gonna see an IP address. Now you're gonna want to save that IP address, and I'll show you what to do with it right now. I'm gonna go to the computer. So running on your JTAG or RGH, you're gonna want to go to your internet browser, and up in the address bar you're going to want to type in the IP address that it said in Xell. Mine said 192.168.1.113, and I'm going to hit enter, and then you're going to get directed to the Xell Reloaded web page. Now you're going to want to save the CPU key inside a text file, and then you want to download the raw flash, and then it'll start downloading. Just wait for it to finish up here. One more second. Okay, now that it's done downloading, you can close out of the Xell Reloaded web page, and you can shut off your JTAG or RGH. Now you can go into downloads wherever you have it downloaded, and you can move it to wherever you want. I personally like to save mine to NAND Slim. Okay, so now after that's done, I'm gonna link you to a folder called jtagupdate.zip. You're gonna just go ahead and open the .zip, and then you will see JTAG update. Once that's done unzip, you can move it to the trash, but you're going to see JTAG update, and in there will be two files. Now first thing you want to do is you're going to want to open up the Xell Boot 2.0 final, and then you're going to want to launch the Xell Boot GUI and then run it as administrator. And then where it says source file, you're going to want to open up the flash DMP bin that you just downloaded from Xell. And then where it says save, it's going to ask you where you want to save it and what name. You want to save it as the name UPD-FLASH. UPD flash right there. UPD-FLASH. and hit save, and then you're gonna want to type in your build type. You're gonna either choose free boot, ECC, glitch boot, or retail. Usually I'm gonna, for RGHs it's glitch boot, and for JTAGs it's free boot. You're gonna want to put in your motherboard, and under CPU key you're gonna want to find the CPU key to your JTAG. You can get that from the Xell page, like I said. I have mine saved right here. Copy. And then paste. The 1BL key should already be there. And then the get IP base, you just can leave that blank. Now for kernel version 1471 is the latest one, so you want to hit that one, and then you want to check Xell Reloaded, and then you're going to want to hit generate hacked image. Alright, so it says, do you want to close a program? Yes, I do want to close a program. Okay, so now when that's done, you can Now, go back in the JTAG update folder, and then there will be a folder called Flash 360 V1. Now you put that file on your desktop, and then you open it. You will not have a 14699 slim.bin, but you'll just have these three. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to wherever you saved your NAND, the flash DMP file that you just made, and the UPD flash file you just made, the UPD flash file, and then you want to copy it to Flash 360. Oops, I did that wrong. Oops. You want to save it to Flash 360, just like that. Okay. Now inside Flash 360 you should have the flash360.xex, the media, readme.txt, and the updflash.bin. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to plug in a USB. I have mine right here, and you're going to want to format it in FAT32. And to do this, it's pretty simple. Well, for PC users it'll be a little different, but it's around the same thing. You want to go to erase, and then MS-DOS FAT, and then hit erase, and then erase. Okay. For Windows users, you have to right click, and then properties, and then format, and then by default Windows does it in FAT32, but if it's not, just look in there. It should be in there somewhere. Okay, now the Flash 360 file with all these folders should go right into your USB. Okay, now when that's done, you're going to want to eject your drive. And I will take you to the TV for the rest. Okay, so now with all the files on your USB drive, you're going to want to take it out of your computer and put it in your RGH. And then you're going to want to go ahead and run XEX menu. And then you want to head over to your USB that has the Flash 360, and then you're going to want to run the flash360.xex. And then you're going to want to hit A to write UPD flash to NAND, and then A to keep current config. Now you're going to want to hit start to ignore and continue, and then press A button to begin. Now right now it's writing the NAND. 60%. Okay, it's finished. It's done writing the NAND. So this is the first thing you're going to want to do. Don't press the turn off button. Go ahead and remove the power button straight from the back. Now next thing is unplug the USB drive. Okay, now you're going to wait about 10 seconds. And then go ahead and plug your power brick back in, and then the console should start up automatically on its own. Make sure you remove the USB drive though. Okay, my JTAG is finally booting up. Should be in the new kernel. Quite odd, took me straight to the networks page. Let me see if I'm on the new kernel. And yes, I am. 14717. Okay, that's how you update your JTAG to the newest kernel. Thank you.